Welcome to Indian Geography Complete Revision. This video contains important facts for UPSC, SSC, Railway, Banking and State PSC examinations. Let's begin. What is the Peninsular Plateau mainly composed of?
Old crystalline rocks.
Which part of India is considered the oldest geological region?
Peninsular Plateau.
What surrounds the Peninsular Plateau on three sides?
Coastal plains.
Which is the largest plateau in India?
Deccan Plateau.
Which river forms the northern boundary of the Deccan Plateau?
Narmada.
Which mountain ranges border the Deccan Plateau?
Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats.
In which region of India is black soil predominantly found?
Deccan Plateau.
Which crop is most associated with the black soil region of the Deccan Plateau?
Cotton.
Which part of India is largely occupied by the Deccan Plateau?
South India.
What is the geological origin of the Deccan Plateau?
Volcanic.
In which state is the Malwa Plateau primarily located?
Madhya Pradesh.
Which river flows through the Malwa Plateau region?
Chambal.
Which crop is widely cultivated in the Malwa Plateau region?
Soybean.
In which state is the Chota Nagpur Plateau primarily located?
Jharkhand.
Why is the Chota Nagpur Plateau economically important?
Minerals only.
Which mineral is abundantly found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau?
Coal.
What nickname is given to the Chota Nagpur Plateau due to its rich resources?
Mineral Storehouse of India.
Which river separates the Meghalaya Plateau from the Peninsular Plateau?
Brahmaputra.
Which hills along with Garo and Khasi hills form the Meghalaya Plateau?
Jantia.
Shillong is located in which plateau region?
Meghalaya.
Why is the Aravalli Range famous in terms of geological age?
Oldest mountain range.
Through which state does most of the Aravalli Range pass?
Rajasthan.
Mount Abu is part of which mountain range?
Aravalli.
Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of which state?
Rajasthan.
On which side of the Narmada River is the Vindhya Range located?
North.
On which side of the Narmada River is the Satpura Range located?
South.
Which river flows between the Vindhya and Satpura ranges?
Narmada.
Which is the highest peak of the Satpura Range?
Dhupgarh.
Dhupgarh is located in which hill station region?
Patmadi Hills.
In which direction do most peninsular rivers flow?
East.
What is another name for the Great Indian Desert?
Thar Desert.
In which state is the Thar Desert primarily located?
Rajasthan.
Which neighboring country shares the Thar Desert with India?
Pakistan.
What type of climate is found in the Thar Desert?
Arid.
How much rainfall does the Thar Desert typically receive?
Low.
Which river is considered the lifeline of the Thar Desert?
Luni.
Near which city does the Luni River originate?
Ajmer.
Into which water body does the Luni River drain?
Run of Kutch.
Which natural force is primarily responsible for the formation of sand dunes?
Wind.
What type of vegetation is commonly found in the Thar Desert?
Thorny bushes.